prawn masala, we need 300 grams of prawns that are shelled and deveined. We need chopped onions, slit green chillies, ginger garlic paste, washed and chopped coriander leaves. For the dry masala powders, we need chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste and pepper powder and vinegar. Let's heat a pan and add vegetable oil to it. I have taken 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is well heated, we will add our slit green chilies. We need to be very careful because sometimes chilies can splutter in hot oil. To this we will add our chopped onions and we will saute them till they are nice and brown. Once the onions are nice and brown, we will add the ginger garlic paste. We are adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and we will keep the flame on slow so that our ginger garlic paste does not burn out. We'll keep stirring it. To this we will add our dry masala powders. I have taken a teaspoon and half of chili powder, but you can adjust it according to your taste. On a low flame, we will roast our spice powders with the onion and ginger garlic paste till a nice aroma comes. Once they are nicely fried, we will add our prawns. Now at this stage, we need to put the flame on high. Prawn has a lot of water content, and if we keep the flame on low, it can leave a lot of water and make it gravy-like consistency. Continue to fry it on high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. That is all the prawns takes to cook. Do not overcook it. Add a teaspoon of vinegar to add the tangy flavor. If you like it more tangy, you can add more than a teaspoon, and some coriander leaves for garnish. Continue to fry till it is nice and dry, and the dish is ready. If you've enjoyed this recipe, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload.